Thank you for buying an Intex Prism Frame above-ground pool. Please follow the instructions shown here and in your manual for proper installation and safe usage. Failure to do so could result in injury or product damage. This video explains how to set up Prism Frame pools 4.8 meters and smaller. Shown here is a 3.05 meter by 76 centimeter Prism Frame pool. Setting up your pool is simple and easy. Assembly requires 2 people. When unpacking the pool, clear the area of any objects that might puncture the pool liner and lay out the content of the carton. Open the carton carefully so you can reuse it to store your pool. Check that you have all the parts listed in your manual. The number and type of parts may differ depending on the size of your pool. Inspect for visible damage. Do not assemble the pool if parts are damaged or missing. For replacement parts, please visit our website at www.intexcorp.com. It is important to determine ahead of time where to set up your pool since the pool cannot be moved once it is filled with water. Follow these guidelines. Set up your pool on a completely level surface. Do not set up on mud, sand, or loose soil. Failure to set up the pool on level, compact ground may result in the pool being unstable and leaning to one side when filled with water. Do not place the pool against a house, wall, or fence. The pool should be within reach of an electrical outlet. Envision the traffic patterns around the pool when determining where to place the filter pump so people will not trip on the electric cord. Do not plug the pump into an electrical outlet until you have finished setting up both the pool and the pump. Follow these electrical guidelines. Ensure that the pool is at least 3.5 meters from any electrical outlets. You must be able to plug in the pump into an electrical outlet without using an extension cord. Electrical outlets must be GFCI or RCD protected. Many communities require enclosing a pool with a fence or wall. Check your local requirements. Carry your pool to your chosen location. Never drag the pool across the ground. You may damage the liner and cause leaks. Unroll the pool, make sure the pool is right side up, and let the liner warm in the sun for easier assembly. Find the pool's filter connection holes and arrange them so they will face where you will place the filter pump. Lay out all the horizontal beams and T-joints around the pool. Slide the horizontal beams through the sleeves at the top of the liner. Open the bag with the connecting pins and washers and slide the washers onto the pins. Starting at any point, slide one side of a T-joint over a horizontal beam, lining up the holes. Push one of the connecting pins through the hole until it goes all the way through to the bottom of the joint and locks. Slide the adjacent beam into the other side of the T-joint and insert another connector pin. Center the T-joints between the sleeves. Continue to assemble the joints and beams, always working in one direction around the pool, checking that the T-joints are centered between the sleeves. You will find it easier to slide the T-joint over the last beam if you lift the joint and insert the beam while lowering it back to the ground. Next, arrange the legs and end caps around the pool at each T-joint. Then attach the legs to the T-joints. With the lock buttons at the top, insert the legs between the belt circling the pool and the liner. Align the legs' lock buttons with the holes and the T-joints. Depress the buttons and slide the legs into the T-joints until they lock into place. Rotate the legs if necessary. Attach the end caps to the bottom of the legs. Now, check your work. All legs should be inside the belt. All legs should be absolutely vertical. Check that all the connecting pins are firmly in place and give the pool a good shake to settle all the parts. Recheck that the filter connector holes are facing where you will place the filter pump. Make adjustments if necessary. Locate the drain plugs and make sure they are firmly closed with the cap screwed on snugly. Hand tighten only. To ensure that your pool is level, add just enough water to the pool to cover the bottom of the liner. Check to see how the water spreads across the liner. If the pool is level, it will spread evenly. The pool must be level to avoid safety problems. Do not add any more water to the pool at this time. Locate the pool inlet jet nozzle assembly and the strainer grid assembly. There are 2 holes in the liner, each with a short black tube protruding from the pool. A higher one on your left as you face the pool and a lower one on your right. Water is pumped from the filter pump through the hole on the left, the pool's water inlet. The hole on the right of the pool is the water outlet, returning water to the filter pump. Lay out your hoses, strainer grid, and pool inlet jet. Begin with the inlet hole on the upper left of the liner. From inside the pool, insert the inlet jet nozzle assembly all the way into the black tube. From outside the pool, push the aeration adapter over the black tube and secure it with the thumb screw. The aeration adapter must remain upright. Attach a pump hose over the aeration adapter and tighten it with the thumb screw, using fingers only. Continue with the strainer grid assembly and the lower hole on your right. From inside the pool, insert the strainer grid assembly all the way into the black tube. From outside the pool, slide a hose over the black tube and secure it with the thumb screw. Check your pump manual for finishing the pump installation. Hydroaeration technology provides some excellent benefits for your Intex pool. Enhanced water circulation pushes sediments through the filtration system, while air is mixed with water to promote the oxidation with manganese and iron elements. Your pool water sparkles with clarity. Now that your pool is ready to use, post the pool safety warning sign included with your pool where it can be easily seen by pool users. There should be no object within 1.2 meters of the pool that a child could climb on to enter the pool. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Intex Prism Frame above-ground pool.